video we're going to do is about Pici Cacio Pepe. And that's like a fat spaghetti, that's the Pici. And the Cacio Pepe means cheese and pepper sauce. And it's kind of like a grown-up mac and cheese. And it's delicious and it's so simple and easy to make. You're probably cooking a lot with your family. And so this is something you could easily make with your family or for your family to enjoy during these days when you're cooking at home.
Yeah, this pasta Pici is just in Tuscany, is famous just in Tuscany.
Yeah.
But for these dishes is good every pasta.
Yes.
Spaghetti, rigatoni, penne, oh, you like it.
Yeah. So whatever you have at home, spaghetti, ziti even, it's good with any kind of a dried pasta that you have. And again, this is something that was really, really loved by everyone. Hey, so we're in the kitchen. We got our ingredients together. And so you can see the main ingredients here.
Here we have a pecorino romano.
And that's just shredded.
Butter. Pepper. Pici in this case. And olive extra virgin. You see the Pici is very thick.
They come in little nest like this, and it's like I said, it's kind of like a fat spaghetti, and this is what we're going to be using today.
Exactly.
Very
and
traditional.
Of course, when you make it fresh, it's different. It's a little more thick. In this case, of course, now we start cooking.
So he has his water, a big stock pot or a pasta pot full of water. You can see you want to have enough water for your pasta, and it's about 3/4 full.
Yeah, in this case we need a large pan, especially because the pasta.
The Pici will expand.
Exactly. Yeah. And we put the salt.
So he's going to salt the water when it starts to boil.
Yes. 3 tablespoons. Tablespoons, yeah.
Okay.
We test later.
Now the salt is going to add some flavor to the pasta, so it is important to salt your water really well.
Put the Pici.
And the Pici just goes right in.
One, of course, is dry. Not touch before not separate.
It needs to separate first.
Okay.
Yeah.
One is fresh. Okay, it's different.
Yeah.
Now, here we need 20 minutes minimum.
For the Pici, because it's so thick.
Yes. And one is fresh, almost the same. Maybe 15, but we need the same.
So you would want to look on your box to see how long your pasta needs to cook.
Yes.
Usually it's between 8 and 10 to 12 minutes for dried pasta.
Yes, every pasta, yes. But this Pici, if you buy Pici, is 20 minutes.
Yeah. And you can get this on Amazon, by the way. You can get Pici on Amazon.
Okay, now we put
So now he's preparing the saute pan where the Pici is going to go in to make the sauce, the cheese and pepper sauce. And we always prepare this ahead of time so it's ready when the pasta is done. So there's butter, the extra virgin olive oil, and then he's going to put the cheese right into the pan here. We shred it so that it melts easier. Now we're making enough for 2. The recipe that you have from your teacher is for 4 people. So you'll have the amounts that you need for 4 people. And you can, of course, make that more if you need to.
And now we wait because we need the pasta water for the make the salts.
Okay.
Okay. See you later. Okay. Now we start to make the salts. You see, just not too high, medium. You see the butter start to melt. Okay. Now I put a lot pepper.
So this is like a coarse black pepper you can use. And again, it depends on your taste.
Important, when the start, you see, stop, because maybe...
You don't want it to cook too much right now. Just get started.
Exactly. Very slowly now. And now you see the water.
So you're gonna want
the starch is different color.
Yeah.
Okay. We put 1 here and 2.
So you add the pasta water to the cheese, It actually adds some starch, some salt, and it will help thicken and bring the sauce together. It's kind of like a secret ingredient. You can do this with any sauce that you're working with. The pasta water is just a really important ingredient.
Important you use the spoon, wooden spoon. You see it's melted a bit.
Yeah, the cheese is starting to melt nicely.
Okay. Okay. And now we wait to cook pasta.
Wait until the pasta's ready. Okay.
Now the pasta is almost al dente. In Italy we use the pasta is important al dente. Now here, okay, of course we use lot Americans use this. Me, I use this.
Yes. So if you have a wire mesh strainer, that works really well. Otherwise, use your pasta fork, and you don't have to rinse it. You just take it right from the pasta water, get your pan close, and you put it right into the cheese sauce. And he's just gonna take as much as he can out here. There's some pasta water that comes along with it, and that's okay too.
Okay.
So it goes right into that creamy, cheesy sauce. Then you turn the heat on again.
The problem, the pici, especially one is dry, is broken.
Yeah, it does break up a little bit.
Exactly.
Well, it makes it easier to eat. It's still delicious. So do you have it on medium heat to melt the cheese a little bit again and thicken it a bit? And what does al dente mean? In Italian it means still to the teeth. You can still, it's not too
Example,
cooked.
the spaghetti is 10 minutes. Al dente is 8-9
So it's not,
minutes.
not quite.
Because usually is we need 2 minutes the pasta in the sauce.
In the sauce.
Because it's much better for the flavor, no?
So you don't want to cook it too much in the water because it's going to cook again in the sauce. And then sometimes if you cook it too much, it gets mushy and soft. You want to have it hold its shape and still have some structure. So that's kind of the al dente
Yeah, exactly.
idea. I think we tend to overcook our pasta here a little bit. So there it is. It's beautiful. It's just going to boil.
Yeah, we need to just.
Okay.
Now you see, it's very creamy.
Yeah.
Of course, it's much better so you have the gas stove.
Yeah. Yeah. It goes quicker that way.
Exactly. Okay. You see the pasta water. You make it cream, no?
Yeah, it makes it thick.
Oh, exactly.
Nice. And it's been bubbling for a minute or two.
Yeah, it's the same. The salsa, Alfredo salsa, no? Because Alfredo salsa here in USA you use heavy cream. In Italy, no.
Yeah.
You use the pasta water. And you see, it's very creamy.
Cheese. I know it does look like it's creamy and delicious.
Very creamy.
We haven't made this for a while, so I'm excited to try it.
And sometimes it happens when sometimes maybe it's too dry. More pasta water.
That helps.
It helps.
To thin it.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna put it in the plate. He's gonna show you how to get individual portions into each bowl.
Yeah, one is long pasta. This help.
It gets kind of hard to get the spaghetti into the plate. This is a chef's secret. You have a big ladle and a pasta fork.
Exactly.
Yeah. Twist it. Swirl it.
Put here.
Oh, that's nice.
Of course, this is for 2 people in the recipe is 4.
Yes. Well, that's a nice helping. It's a
Exactly.
really nice serving.
This case, we put a little bit of
sauce on
salt,
top.
exactly.
Yeah.
You see, we need the heavy cream.
No, no, we don't.
Okay, we finish with
Some more cheese?
more
Of
cheese.
course. Why not?
Okay, a little bit extra virgin oil and more pepper.
More pepper.
And voila!
Voila. That's beautiful. There is your Pici Cacio Pepe. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito!